Hi, my name is Munawar Bhatt from Toronto. Once again with a new video message. First of all, happy Easter to all our Christian community around the world. Secondly, my heartfelt condolences with the families, those who lost their loved ones due to coronavirus and others. I pray for the early recovery of all positive coronavirus patients and others as well. Just a while ago, I witnessed a video message of Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, and he was emphasizing the financial issues facing all the poor and underdeveloped countries around the world. And he was comparing the situation in third world and in the developed countries, and he was trying to establish imbalanced economic and the wealth situation. I fully support him. His concerns are true, and we should concentrate and we should think about that, especially the superpowers, the developed countries, the United Nations. It should be discussed in the United Nations at least to solve this issue once for all. Let us think about it. We are living in a modern world, and hope we learn a lot from invisible enemy, and we cannot beat this enemy with the weapons. So we have to establish a new world, and I have 2-3 suggestions for the superpowers and for the whole world as well, and for financial institutions like IMF, World Bank, Asian Development Bank, and other financial institutions. First of all, write off complete loans, including interests, of all the poor countries, including Pakistan, and let them live without burden of debts. Number two, we should spend less budget for military and weapons, at least for next 50 or 100 years. Number three, allocate a huge budget for the welfare of human beings, like on medical and on education, on unemployment, on other infrastructures, instead of killing the innocent people. Number four, give independence to all the occupied territories like Kashmir and Palestine, etc., etc. I'm convinced that if 5P nations, along with the other developed countries, make sincere efforts, we can make this earth a piece of heaven. I'm sure about it. So this is my message to everyone. Please listen, like, and share with all your friends, your family. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. See you until next video. Bye. Thank you.